Like I told you, Derek. Either you or the parents. Well, I guess I'll just have to take them now. In a few minutes, they'll be dead, and I won't need a lunar eclipse even to kill a demon wolf. You've tried this before, Scott. I don't remember you having much success. How did you do that?
I'm an alpha now. Hey, man, what's up? Stiles. Stiles, you there?
Scott?
Hey, yeah, I'm here. Are you okay? Can you hear me?
Scott, I don't know where I am. I don't know how I got here. I think I was sleepwalking.
Okay, can you see anything? Just, tell me what you see.
I don't know. It's dark. It's hard to see. I don't know. There's something wrong with my... Hey,
Stiles.
this is Stiles, and you missed me. Leave a message. Hey, this is Stiles.
Stiles.
Scott, I don't think I can get out of here. I can't move.
Where are you?
I don't know. It's too dark. I can't see much. But something's wrong with my leg. It's stuck on something. I think it's bleeding.
How bad? Stiles, how bad is it? Hey, Stiles, are you there? Can you hear me?
There's some kind of smell down here. Something smells terrible. It's brutal. My eyes are watering.
Okay, listen, I'm gonna call your dad.
Wait, no, don't.
But your dad...
Wait, just please don't call him. Promise me you won't. He already worries about me too much, Scott, please.
What if I can't find you? Stiles, I can't make a promise like that.
No, just please. Please don't call him. Come find me. You can do it. He doesn't have to know, Scott. You can find me.
I don't know if I can do this.
Oh, I gotta call you back. I have to turn the phone off.
What? No, hey, wait, what?
I'm gonna call you right back.
Hold on, Stiles, wait. Hold on, man. Hey, Stiles.
Did you call him? Did you call my dad?
No. Just Isaac. We're coming to find you. Can you figure out where you are? Try to find something and tell us where to look.
It's a basement. I don't know, some kind of basement.
In a house?
No, it looks bigger, like industrial. I think there's a furnace, but it's cold. It's freezing down here. I gotta turn the phone off, Scott. It's gonna die.
Oh, wait. What else is there? What do you see?
The phone's dying. I can't talk. I have to go. Please, just...
Stiles, why are you whispering?
Because I think there's someone in here with me.
Do you guys like evil Stiles?
Previously on Teen Wolf.
You scare me.
This is really boring. You really need to up the energy level. I'm getting sick of this.
I don't suppose you have any idea why Stiles would frame us for murder?
I didn't think Stiles was smart enough to frame us for murder.
Really noticing. You can kill me only with me? Me? I'm 1,000 years old. You can't kill me! Really noticing. He's gonna kill me, Dad. Don't listen. Put it down.
Put it down. Now! Do it! Put it down!
Pull the trigger. Come on.
Listen to me! You put the gun down now! Put the gun down! Shoot put the gun down! Shoot me!
Now they belong to me. Well, that's because a lot of bad feelings happen. Now they belong to me. Well, that's because a lot of bad things happen. Can't be a fox and a wolf.
I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is fucking awesome. Ow.
Please don't fake it, fake it, fake it.